Hey scholars, how are you guys doing today? I have some jokes for you today, so let me pull them up. Okay, what kind of shoes do private investigators wear? Sneakers. How do billboards talk? Sign language. Oh my gosh. Okay, last one. What game does the sky love to play? Twister. Okay, I'm gonna try to make sure I do some silly jokes so that I can get you guys laughing in the morning or whenever you guys are watching this video. So I hope you guys are getting lots and lots of points, going to your EC classes and doing all of your reading classes and your math and drawing us pictures or sending us videos. Get excited because I really want you guys to win those gift cards. And you get to pick which one you want to win, but you got to get enough points. All right, so let's get started with our lesson today. All right, so repeat after me. Repeat after you. I can show, count, and write. I can show, count, and write to answer how many questions? To answer how many questions? Awesome. All right, so we're going to figure that out today. So let's see what we can do. We're still working with our teen numbers. So our numbers 11 to 20. So let's see what we can do today. Work hard and never give up. All right, so so you can either write the number on your paper or you can say it out loud. But we are going to say it the regular way and the Satan way. So how many do you see here? How many do you think is in this full one right here? In this red. And the full red is 10 ones and 2 ones. So 10 and 2 is 12. Good. Okay, we're not going to break all of them down. So you guys are going to tell me before I say it. 10 and 12 and 10 and 2 and 12. Okay? What's this one? 10 and 5. Good. And that is 15. Awesome. This one? 10 and 4. Good. And that is 14. Beautiful. This one may take another second. I'm going to give you some more time. So we know this red is 10. Count how many of these blue ones, of the green ones. 10 and 8. Good. And that is 18. All right, what's this one? 10 and 1. And that is 11. All right, so some suggestions for at home. You can continue to play that one more game with your counters and with your objects. And you can count up to 20 and count down from 20 with your counters. Because that's what we're going to do today. We're going to count up and count backwards. And you will need your 20 small objects. So make sure you have small objects that can fit on your paper or just on your table. So you don't need any paper or pencil, just you will need your paper and pencil for your homework. But for right now, just your 20 small objects. Let's get started. So first, let's count in order from 1 to 20. So is that counting forwards or backwards? That's counting forwards because we're starting from 1. Ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. Great job, leaders. Now this time we are going to count from 10. We're going to start at 10 and count to 20 the say 10 way. 10, 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 5, 10 and 6, 10 and 7, 10 and 6, 10 and 8, 10 and 9, 10 and 10. 10 and 10 is also 20. Great job, leaders. I want to see, now I want to start from the number 14. Let's start counting from 14. 14. What comes next? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beautiful. Great job, leaders. So we're going to put our cubes together to make a train of 20 cubes. So I'm going to use cubes, but you are going to use whatever small counters you have at home. You can put them in front of you on your table or on the floor in front of you, whatever you have in front of you. So let's get counting. All right, so I have mine by different colors. So let's put them in front of us. 1. Let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have 5 purple. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, how many greens do I have? I also have 5. How did you know that? Because you guys are really good at your tens tables. Because you know 5 plus 5 makes 10. Awesome. So now we're counting on from 10. So put 10 in your brain. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, and that is also another group of 5. Okay, 15, put that in your head. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome, and that's also another group of 5. Great job, leaders. So now we have our 20 small objects in front of us. So mine's in front of me, and yours should look just like that too. Hey guys, we are coming back. All right, so we just made our 20 objects in front of us. Okay, now we are going to slide those to the side. Now we are going to put your cubes together to make a train of 10, 7. Okay, so we found out earlier that this was a group of 5, right? Okay, so we know that we can put this group of 5 here. And then how many more makes 10? 5 plus 5. Good. All right. 5 and 5 makes 10. So now we need 10, 7. Okay. So 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, and 10, 7. And that's also 17. 10, 7, or 17. Awesome. All right. So now go ahead and put the rest of them next to it. So we had 10, 7, and go ahead and put those other 3 right up there. So then it should be a long train. So now it's 10, 10. Okay, just like this. Now you're gonna break it and see if you can slide. It's okay if you can't. You could just watch me right here. We're gonna slide. How many do we slide underneath? If they look the same, then it's what? 10 ones. So we have 10 ones on top and 10 ones on the bottom. How many do we have now? We still have 20 ones or 2 10s. Good job. All right. Now we're going to put them it froze. Just like this. So in our rows, our columns, silly Miss Flynn, our columns of 5, because our columns go up and down. Okay, so we have how many here? 5, 10, 15. How many do we have now? 20. Awesome. And we counted by 5. We counted by 5. And we still have 10 ones. But we just made the towers what? Smaller. This is a tower of 5 ones, 5 ones, 5 ones, and 5 ones. Awesome. All right. So now here's something that you can do at home with your Say 10 cards. So you can write this out, or you can use your Say 10 cards. You don't have to make any new ones. You can use your 10 and your what? This one is 10 and 1. And then you got to find out what number comes next. 10 and 2. Good. So you got to figure out which numbers are missing. Okay? And then is your homework. So for your homework, you are going to use these suns. You're going to look at these suns and then represent it in these 10 frames. So you're going to count these suns and then you're going to represent it in these 10 frames. So make sure you count them carefully and then put it in the 10 frames. And then count these smiley faces carefully and put it in the 10 frames. Okay, you can count it the Say 10 way or the regular way. Don't forget to send me a picture of your work so you can get those dojo points. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.